In this video, you will learn how to define your own component rules using the rule editor in Liftdesigner. Rules allow you to add additional logic to your BIM components. Dynamic rules are especially useful when the logic is directly related to a specific component. Typical cases include checking the minimum or maximum values of that component. These dynamic rules are always stored in the profile group of the component. It is not recommended to use rules that affect the entire elevator system. As a rule of thumb, avoid changing dimensions of components that are on the same level or higher in the data tree hierarchy. Let's see how it works. Select your BIM component and open the rule editor. Make sure that the developer status is activated. To create a new rule, click Add Rules component and then Add LDX rule. Enter a clear and unique description. Now, in the PGR_ matrix, add columns to the existing condition, C1, and assignment, A1, using the Rule button. To add subgroups, S1 and S2, use the corresponding button. Let's define the rules step by step. First, create the conditions. Select the PBU_DZ parameter from the DigiPara Liftdesigner project tree, confirm with OK, and enter an equal sign. Next, define the assignments. Again, use the project tree to select the corresponding 3D parameter for assignment A1. Then adapt the visibility of the subgroups S1 and S2 based on the conditions. Enter the values for C1 and A1. Then set the S1 and S2 to either active or inactive. Once everything is set, check the rule, save the matrix, and afterward save all changes to the database. Finally, close the rule editor and test the functionality of your newly created BIM component rules. Now let's take a look at the Options and Rules docking window. Here you can manage your component configuration. Existing product options and dynamic component rules can easily be enabled or disabled by adding or removing a checkmark. It's important to keep a clear structure. Organize your product options carefully, especially when dealing with a high number of them. These options are prepared in the DigiPara Liftdesigner Data Manager under the related profile group. The same goes for your rules. Structure them clearly in the rule editor, particularly when you are working with many rules for one component. Here is one more recommendation. Extend your option descriptions whenever product options are controlled by rules. In this case, the expression Auto is shown and the option will appear grayed out. And that's it. Now you know how to create and manage component rules as an optional step in product loading. Thanks for watching!